Welcome to the Golden State, where the lakes are as diverse as the people. Here we're talking about California, a state that boasts over 3,000 lakes, each one brimming with its own unique charm and character. From the shimmering blue waters of Lake Tahoe, the largest alpine lake in North America, to the serene beauty of Mackinaw Lake, one of the oldest lakes in the Western Hemisphere, California's lakes offer a fascinating glimpse of nature's grandeur. What makes these lakes so diverse? Well, it's not just about their size or location, it's also about how they were formed. Many of California's lakes are tectonic lakes, created by the shifting and cracking of the Earth's crust. Some, like the Salton Sea, are accidental lakes born out of human error and now serving as a stark reminder of our impact on the environment. And then we have the glacial lakes, like Lake Tahoe, carved out by glaciers during the last ice age. The depths of these lakes are as varied as their origins. From the shallow waters of Clear Lake, which has an average depth of just 27 feet, to the deep, mysterious depths of Lake Tahoe that plunge to an astonishing 1,600 feet, these lakes are a testament to the dynamic forces that have shaped California's landscape over millions of years. But it's not just their depths and origins that make these lakes so intriguing. It's also their locations. Nestled in the Sierra Nevada mountains, cradled in the arms of ancient volcanoes, or resting in the heart of California's bustling cities, these lakes are as much a part of California's cultural fabric as they are of its natural landscape. With over 3,000 lakes, California definitely has a lot to offer, but let's not forget about the exciting world beneath their surfaces. So buckle up, folks. We're about to dive into the underwater world of California's lakes, where adventure and discovery await. Beneath the calm surfaces of these lakes lies an underwater world teeming with life. From the smallest minnow to the largest bass, every inch of the watery depths is filled with an incredible diversity of fish. Let's dive in. In the cool, clear waters of California's alpine lakes, you'll find the rainbow trout. This colorful creature is named for the radiant streak of color along its side, which shimmers like a rainbow when it catches the light. Did you know that rainbow trout are actually native to the rivers and lakes of North America's west coast? Today they've been introduced to waters all around the world. Moving to the warmer, quieter waters of the lowland lakes, we encounter the largemouth bass. This fish is a favorite among anglers for its size and the fight it puts up when hooked. Its name comes from its large mouth, which extends past the rear edge of its eye when the mouth is closed. The largemouth bass is a predator, and its diet consists mainly of other fish, but it's known to eat just about anything it can catch and swallow. Over in the deep, rocky lakes, you'll find the brown trout. This fish prefers colder water and is typically found in the deeper sections of the lake. The brown trout is a fascinating creature. It's a master of camouflage, blending in seamlessly with the rocky lake bottom. It's also known for being particularly elusive, making it a prized catch for any angler. And let's not forget about the channel catfish, a species known for its distinctive whisker-like barbels. These fish are most active at night, and they use their barbels to taste and feel their way around in the dark. Despite their somewhat intimidating appearance, channel catfish are quite docile and are often sought after for their delicious taste. From rainbow trout to largemouth bass, California's lakes are a fisherman's paradise. So whether you're an angler looking for the next big catch or a nature lover eager to learn more about the state's aquatic biodiversity, come and explore the underwater world of California's lakes. Now that we know what's swimming beneath us, it's time to grab our fishing rods. You see, California's lakes are teeming with a variety of fish species, and knowing where to cast your line can make all the difference between a good day and a great one. So, let's dive into some of the state's prime fishing spots and the unique characteristics that make them ideal for anglers. First up, we have Lake Shasta. This lake is a paradise for bass enthusiasts. Its deep, cold waters are home to both smallmouth and largemouth bass, and its rocky shoreline provides the perfect hideouts for these elusive creatures. So, if you're a fan of bass, Lake Shasta should be at the top of your list. Next, we journey to Clear Lake, known for its abundant crappie population. The lake's shallow waters and abundant vegetation make it a crappie haven. The key here is to fish near the vegetation, where the crappie love to hang out. Then there's Lake Tahoe, a gem nestled between California and Nevada. Here, the Mackinaw trout rule the deep waters. These fish can grow up to 3 feet long, turning a casual fishing trip into an unforgettable adventure. The thrill of reeling in one of these giants is truly something out of the ordinary. Finally, we can't forget about the trout-rich waters of the eastern Sierras. Lakes like Crowley, Convict, and Twin Lakes are prime spots for rainbow, brown, and brook trout. Early morning or late evening is the best time to catch these beauties, as they tend to feed during these cooler hours. So, whether you're an experienced angler or a beginner, you'll find a spot that's just right for you. The diverse fish populations and stunning landscapes of these lakes provide a fishing experience that's second to none. You'll not only enjoy the thrill of the catch, but also the tranquility and beauty of nature at its finest. Remember, fishing is not just about the catch, it's about the journey, the patience, and the connection with nature. So grab your fishing rod, head out to these amazing California lakes, and let the adventure begin. So, whether you're an experienced angler or a beginner, you'll find a spot that's just right for you. Fishing is not just about patience, it's an art that requires skill and knowledge. It's a dance between the angler and the fish, a subtle game of strategy and wit. Let's dive into the different fishing techniques and how their use can enhance your angling experience in California's lakes. First off, we have fly fishing. This technique involves an artificial fly used to catch fish. The fly is cast using a fly rod, reel, and specialized weighted line. This technique is perfect for catching trout and salmon, both of which thrive in California's clear, cold waters. Next up is trolling, a method that involves pulling a fishing line baited with lures through the water. This is done from a moving boat and is a great way to cover a lot of water in a short amount of time. Trolling is fantastic for catching larger game fish like striped bass and lake trout. Then there's bait casting, a technique that uses a revolving spool reel and a casting rod. Bait casting allows for greater control and precision, making it ideal for catching bass, one of the most popular game fish in California's lakes. Finally, let's talk about ice fishing. Yes, even in sunny California, you can enjoy this winter tradition. In the high Sierra Lakes, when winter sets in, ice fishing becomes a favorite pastime. With a simple hole in the ice, you can catch a variety of fish, like perch and trout. Each technique has its charm and challenges, and choosing the right one depends on the type of fish you're after and the conditions of the lake. But no matter the method, remember that fishing is about more than just the catch. It's about the thrill of the chase, the peace of the surroundings, and the joy of being one with nature. Remember, the key to a great fishing experience is understanding the fish and using the right techniques. So, whether you're a seasoned angler or a first-timer, embrace the art of fishing and let California's lakes be your canvas. Before we wrap up, let's take a closer look at these lakes. Did you know that California is home to more than 3,000 lakes? That's a lot of water and a lot of fish. Each lake, from the glacial waters of Lake Tahoe to the tranquil beauty of Shasta Lake, has its unique ecosystem and species of fish, and there's something magical about the thrill of casting the line into these waters, waiting for the pull signaling a catch. Whether you're an experienced angler or a novice, the diverse range of fishing experiences California's lakes offer is unparalleled. So why not pack your fishing gear, grab a map, and set off on a fishing adventure? You'll be captivated by the stunning landscapes, the pure joy of fishing, and the sense of peace that comes from being one with nature. California's lakes are not just bodies of water, they're a world of adventure waiting to be explored. As our journey comes to an end, remember that the adventure is just beginning. We've traversed the grandeur of California's lakes, delved into the mysteries of the underwater world, and even got our hands dirty with the art of fishing. But this is only the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to explore, so much more to experience. Every visit to these lakes promises a new discovery, a new story. Whether you're an angler looking for your next big catch, or an outdoor enthusiast searching for your next escape, California's lakes are waiting for you. And while you're out there, don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the state's natural beauty. The sunsets, the wildlife, the tranquility, it's all part of the adventure. Remember, the journey doesn't end here. Subscribe to our channel for more adventures, more discoveries, more stories. So pack your fishing gear and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in California's lakes. See you on the next adventure.